Great. Thank you, David. Hey, everyone. So I am here to provide some updates about Horizon and where we are. So as you will remember, Horizon is a startup support platform that connects Web3 founders and contributors and backers for growth and success. And if we go to the next slide, our North Star goal for the year is to support 100 projects in releasing to mainnet with 100 or more monthly active accounts. I also want to note that with the sunset of Awesomeneer, we are now directing all projects to create a profile on Horizon, so it can be that complete repo of all the ecosystem projects. So even if you are not looking directly for support, please do still create a profile on Horizon is the big CTA here. If we go to the next slide, so where are we against that goal, right? So we launched Horizon on April 26th. And as of June 9th, we have 819 transactions. We have onboarded 129 projects. We have 19 contributors, and we have had 7 contribution requests that have been made. We have also been the #1 staging boss component and #3 in production. So I think we're really excited about the traction that we have gotten so far, but of course are just sort of at the beginning. If you go to the next slide, we've also been forging partnerships with accelerator programs, ecosystem partners, and education partners, all with the goal of attracting and supporting new and current teams. So if you go to the next slide, basically in Q1 and 2 of this year, we have gone from 0 to 1, right? We were an idea in January. We are now a product and a team, and are really focused on finding and supporting our fabulous founders. And so now we're cranking for traction. So from a product perspective, if you go to the next slide, in June and July, we are focused on really improving the founder journey. We're laser focused on founders. We will do this by redesigning the homepage, which actually is live as of yesterday, and I'm going to show you a quick demo of. We are also optimizing the onboarding flow. We're improving searching and filtering. We've created an admin dashboard so we can actually monitor platform activity better. We are bringing also our partner program applications directly into the platform, so you can apply now through the platform. And we have also been making some minor improvements to mobile responsiveness. In July, we're going to be updating our landing page to make it more focused and clear, productizing our credit application process. So today, this is happening off platform. And then we're also going to be releasing new feature to allow founders to actually ask questions to the community and receive responses. So having a little bit more sort of social action that's happening within the platform. And then also fully optimizing for mobile. I wanted to take a minute to say thank you so much for all of the feedback and engagement from the community in Horizon so far. We have a crew of super users who have been giving us weekly feedback. We've been hearing from you all via email, via Telegram. Please keep it coming. That's what's going to make this product better and actually, be able to meet the needs of everyone. So I wanted to quickly show you some updates. So if I'm able to share my screen, David, I'm not sure. Amazing. Thank you all. Cool. Can you see? Amazing. Cool. So very quickly show you some updates that have been already released in June. So for those of you who are familiar with Horizon, you will notice a pretty big overhaul of the homepage. So we've made the calls to action a lot clearer, and have also made it possible to see projects and requests and contributors and backer information without needing to kind of click around and use so much time. So that is a big update. We have also made it easier to search and filter for projects. So we've gotten some feedback that it hasn't been incredibly easy to be able to look through this project list and make sense of it. So new filters across the board. And then it is also now possible to apply for our partner programs directly within the app. So you'll see here that we have Encode Club, Outlier Ventures, and Major League Hacking, which is the first set of our partners that you can apply directly to from within the platform. And then finally, we also have a new FAQ that is addressing some of the questions that have come up during onboarding. So should be able to sort of help you all out a little bit more in getting on board. So that is my quick demo. We can go back to the slide deck and I will stop sharing. And so wanted to also give you a sense of our partnership roadmap. So we have a very busy Q3 and Q4 ahead of us. So the plan is to launch our hackathon and fellowship programs with Major League Hacking and Encode Club in June into July, and then launch our Accelerator program with Outlier in July. In August and September, we're going to be kicking off our Ready to Raise Bootcamp. So this is something, it's a program that it's really designed for early stage projects who are actively raising in the Horizon community. We've been hearing a lot from all of you and folks who aren't on the call that they need some support in getting ready to actually pitch and raise. And then we are also going to be kicking off our mentorship program where we are going to pair Horizon founders with our expert network. In October and November, we're going to be hosting demo days for the culmination of Outlier and the Major League Hacking programs. And then in early December, we're going to be launching an industry-specific incubator, much more to come on that, more design and R&D needed. And then in late December, early January, the plan is to also launch our talent network, which is essentially a database of vetted talent who are ready to contribute to Horizon projects. So much more to come on all of those things. So if you go to the next slide, for the founders out there, join Horizon today so you can validate your idea, find help, connect with other builders, connect with capital. If you go to the next slide, for service providers on the call, join so you can get access to the Horizon ecosystem. You can get scaled reach and basically BD. And you can also build long-term relationships with like new startups that will hopefully convert into high quality, and high value clients as they grow. And for the next slide, if you're an accelerator program, an ecosystem team who wants to make their product or service available, or an education program, the big call to action here is join Horizon as contributors so you can start to engage with projects. And then finally, on the next slide, we wanted to just give you a sense of our upcoming on the ground activities. So we're going to be at Collision, we're going to be at ETHCC, near APAC, near Con, of course. And then we're also partnering with Outlier for a demo day, in sort of October. So please keep your eyes peeled for the invitations for these pitch and networking events. So a lot is in store for you when you join Horizon. If you go to the next slide, our sort of summary call to actions are: founders, please set up your project profile, and also join us every Friday at 9 a.m. excuse me, Eastern and 3 p.m. Central European time for office hours, where we're going to help founders maximize the benefits of our platform and also gather feedback. And then for all of our potential contributors out there, please join as a contributor and start to engage with projects. And you can also email us at Horizon at near.foundation if you want to be a certified provider or if you just need help in getting set up. So that's our update. Thanks so much for all of your partnership so far, and keep the feedback coming. We love it. Thanks.